In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an N8n workflow. We will guide you step by step through the process, and by the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how to set up and use N8n for automating tasks seamlessly. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to the official N8n website. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful automation tools that N8n has to offer. Once the web page loads, you'll notice an array of options, but for now, let's focus on finding the Sign In button. Give that a click. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you might want to take a moment to sign up, as it's a necessary step to move forward. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the N8n canvas, which is essentially your playground for building workflows. Now, on the canvas, look towards the top right corner of your screen, or possibly the middle, and you'll find a plus icon. This is your gateway to accessing the Nodes panel. Nodes are the building blocks of any workflow, and this panel will allow you to bring them into action. Next up, in the Nodes panel, you'll want to search for the node you desire by typing its name into the search bar. This is a quick and efficient way to locate the specific functions you need for your workflow. Now, here's an interesting tip. If you're seeking to leverage the community's vast knowledge, check for verified community nodes. If one is available for your needs, it'll be displayed right there. Once a verified community node catches your eye, simply select it. A detailed view will pop up, offering insight into what this node can do. This is the time to verify that it fits your requirements. If it does, go ahead and install it. Installation is a breeze, and before you know it, the node is ready for you to incorporate it into your workflow. Finally, with the node installed, it's just a matter of adding it to your workflow. Clicking on it will allow you to drag it onto the canvas, positioning it exactly where you want it in your sequence of tasks. This marks the beginning of building an automated flow that can handle repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. As you integrate these nodes, remember that the flexibility of N8n means you can experiment and adjust as you go. It's a matter of trial and error to create a workflow that perfectly fits your needs. By following these steps, you can set up a dynamic and efficient automation system tailored to your unique requirements. Happy automating, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.